Hi everyone, my name is Fathi from Fathi's CreativeHub. In this video, I'm excited to show you my latest project. A collection of 51 custom ZBrush brushes specifically designed for creating realistic wood texture. These brushes are perfect for both professional and beginner artists. For professional, they'll help you quickly and easily add intricate wood detail like bark, veins, edge ring, and more to your model, saving your valuable sculpting time. For beginners, the brush can help you get started sculpting wood texture without getting bogged down in the detail. The real magic lies in the incredible detail this brush can create. They allow you to capture everything from the roughness of bark to the subtle variation in wood grain. Their incredible detail, that's what makes these brushes truly special. Let me emphasize, I poured a lot of time and effort into crafting them. They're not just realistic, they're incredibly detailed, and the best part, they're super easy to use. Just drag the brush across your model, adjust the size and intensity, and you'll achieve a stunning result. Let's get started. Here I have a basic mesh of the tree trunk that will serve as our canvas for this demonstration. I'm going to show you how these brushes work their magic. Alright, first thing first, let's pick a brush. I'm going to choose the first brush on the list and let's drag it across the tree trunk. This video isn't just about creating realistic wood texture with detail like tree bark and edge rings. It's also designed for beginner sculptors who want to save time on sculpting intricate wood detail. Let's start by adding some edge rings. It's incredibly easy. Simply drag your brush across the desired area like magic. You'll have edge rings on your branch. Want to add some variety? No problem. We have multiple edge rings option here. I'm using edge ring 10 for a different look. Need to smooth things out? No worry, I recommend using the Smooth Valley brush. You can adjust the intensity to refine your detail without losing the beautiful texture. Let's take a look at the bark detail brushes. As you can see, the brush size affects the detail created. Started with a smaller brush size and drag it across the surface. Notice how fine detail appear on the bark. The intensity and pressure you apply with your pen also play a role. Increase the brush size to see how it affects the detail. Applying more pressure while dragging creates a more pronounced and rugged bark texture. Now, let's switch to brush number 2. This brush offers a variety of options for creating different type of tree bark texture. The beauty of these brushes is their variety. Each brush in this pack has its own unique way of adding wood detail. Take brush number 3 for example. With a small brush size, dragging it slowly creates fine detail, perfect for intricate wood grain. Now, let's increase the size. As you zoom in, you'll see how the brush creates a border yet still detailed texture on the wood surface. Ready to see another option? Let's move on to brush number. Let's add some realistic scratches. This brush allows you to create various scratch patterns for a withered look. We have other scratch brushes in the pack, offering a range of the intensities for different effects. This brush here adds deeper, more pronounced scratches, perfect for depicting an old tree. The scratches naturally follow the wood grain, further enhancing the realism. Ready to see another brush? Let's move on. Let's explore the versatility of these brushes. As you can see, with different brush size and pen pressure, you can achieve a wide variety of wood texture with a single brush. This is the true power of this brush pack. It's adapt to your need. Whether you're working on the detailed close-up or a border scene, these brushes provide all the detail you need to create realistic wood textures. You won't need to switch between countless brushes to achieve your desired effect. See how each brush refines your wood creation. With each brush, you can add realistic detail to your tree trunk. Notice how scratches appear naturally at the end with this particular brush. Now, let's move on to brush number 19. As you can see, this brush offers a range of detail levels. The high detail brushes are perfect for mastery, capturing intricate texture. The lower detail brush works well for younger trees with smoother surface. Here is a great tip. You can drag brush multiple times over the same area to achieve even more complex and varied detail. Let's revisit brush number 1. This brush creates incredibly detailed scratches, perfect for adding a realistic weather look. As you can see, the details are truly impressive. Combining these scratch details with the base wood texture from brush number 1 creates a stunningly realistic effect. I highly recommend experimenting with these brushes. They offer a wide range of possibilities, and you'll be amazed at the level of detail you can achieve. Let's explore the power of layering scratches. As you can see, I'm combining different scratch brushes to create a unique texture. Feel free to experiment. These brushes have no limitation, use them creatively to achieve your desired result. In this example, I'm using the damp standard brush with a reduced size to add even finer detail to specific areas. The level of detail you add depends entirely on your project and vision. Now, let's add some decay effects. This brush is perfect for creating aged and withered wood textures. As you can see, it adds realistic detail to the top of the tree trunk, transforming it into a worn and rugged surface. Don't worry about minor imperfections. We can easily smooth them out later. For now, let's focus on achieving the overall shape. Here's a powerful technique for creating holes. First, I'll use the masked lasso brush to select a specific area. This allows me to isolate the section where I want to add holes. Then I'll switch to the hole brush and simply drag it across the mask area. The longer you drag, the deeper the hole becomes. You can even adjust the shape of the hole for a more natural look. Let's refine the holes for a natural look. Once you created a basic hole with the hole brush, you can use it again to refine the shape. drag the brush around the edge to create a smoother, more natural looking cavity. Here's cool tip. Holding the Alt button while dragging the brush creates a more defined and rugged edge around the hole. This can be helpful for adding depth and realism. Now we've added some holes to one section. Let's move on to another part of the tree trunk. Let's add some variety with the spray brushes. I have 4 different spray brushes in this pack, each offering unique detail option. Here I'm using spray brush number 4. As you can see, it creates a very detailed texture when dragged across different area of the tree trunk. This allows you to target a specific section and add depth and interest. Don't be afraid to experiment. These brushes can be used individually or combined for even more creative possibilities. You can build up layer of texture by starting with a base wood texture, adding scratches, and then finishing with the spray detail. The combinations are endless. So, here's the full set of 51 brushes. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration and that it inspires you to create amazing wood sculptures. These brushes are available for purchase through the link in the video description. So, are you ready to take your wood sculpting to the next level? Get your hands on this brush pack and add it to your digital sculpting toolbox. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more creative content. Thank you for watching.